Good day everyone, we are the group 2, so we are going to present about I simulate rather on how to assist pre-start checks on main propulsion engine. So first, press F1 to start the simulator.
You will have 20 minutes to fulfill the assessment.
We are only given 20 minutes to fulfill the assessment, so go to process directory or press home, then go to MD12 on this pump, on this valve, and then go to stern tube system on this pump, then click auto, then go back home, then go to MD12, go back, press on this pump and this pump, on the main pump and the cam lube oil pump. So acknowledge the alarm, it is normal alarm guys. So just press F12 or press the silence then. So our goal is to make this between 30 to 0.30 to 0.80, and this we're going to make this normal into 0.80 and this normal to 0.50 or as long as it is not above 0.80. It is between 0.30 to 0.80. So we're going to turn this off. It is now, and go to steering gear system on this pump, steering gear 1 and steering gear 2, then set it to remote. Then next go back to MD12, wait this to set 81. So dugay-dugay pa man na siya, so ato sa fuel oil, I mean local control. So we're going to engage, then start, then let's go back to fuel lubrication oil system. So let's just wait until it reaches 81. So that we did have alarm here. Ato dyan siya i-normalize guys. I-normal dyan na ito ang kan. Di na ito pa ka alarm. So normal na siya. So let's wait 81. Okay, 81 na siya. So off the pump, make a pump. Then go home or process directory. Then go to fuel oil system. On this pump, start this circulation pump, and then turn this heater, and also you can turn this on, the HFO supply valve to DG1 and 2. So after that we're gonna go to HFO service tank. So we're in the service tank now. So this is just normal, acknowledge it, press F12 for silence. The set point of HFO service tank and the diesel oil or DO service tank is 0, so we're going to change it into 65. Change it into 65. So now it is set. The set point of both service tank of HFO and DO is on 65. So let's go now to settling tank I mean. So we're going to remove the water. So drain it on the pump. The level of the water should be 0. Here it should be 0. the other tank or the settling tank 2 is dugay na siya ma-drain, while ang kanimo ni una to ma-drain. So after na to ma-drain ni kay adto sa tasakan cool water ay sa sea water if ma-zero na ni siya. So na zero na, turn this off, then home, then go to sea water, turn the steam condenser on, the valve. It is on now, so we're gonna go to fresh water. So after going to fresh water, we're gonna turn this on, and this on, and this on. After turning that on, turn the auxiliary, both the low temperature fresh water and high temperature fresh water pump. Okay, na-on naman na to ang main pump. So set this to auto and the auto, then on this 2 valve. Then let's go back to our settling tank. So hapit na siya ma-zero. So let's just wait. And after na siya nga ma-zero to, so we're going to go to our steam generation plant to on this circulating pump and drain this into 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. So let's go to heating. So auto this pump, then drain 1 2 3 4 5, then home. Let's go back to settling tank to 0, turn off the valve. So fresh water, it is all clear. So let's go to start air system. So it is low, so let's start on this valve, and this valve, and don't forget to remote all the compressor, remote and remote. After that, we're going to drain here so that it will be cleaned. And so limpyo na to. So after that, turn this off, turn this valve off, on this makeup valve. After that, go to 0, go to service air system. We're going to drain ato yung ilimpyuhan. Normal na siya. So ato na limpyuhan, so turn off. Ang purpose ato limpyuhan ni guys kay para inikaanda na sa itong dili makuha na limpyo na siya, like reset na sad para ang filter makuha na sad, filter man siya. So kani kay dugay-dugay pa man siya, ato rin ipa-obso ng maayo mga 15 to 10. So let's go to our panel directory. So MD102 power shift pump control, set this to auto, then it will go start, then go back to the process directory or home, then go to start air system. After nag-start na tong pump, I mean compressor rather, so ato nang i-off. Wait, maabot ni 15, ato na siyang i-off. Pwede na nato siya i-off ang air filter drain valve. So off na to. And after that, let's go to maneuvering system. So turn this on, open. After that, go home, local control, set this on auto. After set this to auto, gonna go to forward mooring winches, then on, then start, start, go home. Yeah, Aftermarine on, same procedure, just follow the procedure, then home, then go to process overview, and let's go to start air. And we're going to stop, then disengage, then go to process. That's what we're gonna do. We're going to check the indicator cock. The next is the check all the cylinder first, if the indicator cock is open. So next, second cylinder, open the indicator cock. Third, indicator cock is open. Fourth, indicator cock is open. 5, indicator cock is open. And after that, go to panel directory and go to auto shift main engine control, then slow start, press slow start for 10 seconds, wait for it until 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So turn this off and go to process overview, and we're going to turn off or close the valve of indicator cock. So turn off, I close all the indicator cock from cylinder 1 to 5. So we're gonna close 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it is closed now. So go to panel directory, so auto shift main. So we're gonna test the dead slow and dead slow aft on dead slow astern. So first, click the dead slow, then level control lever to 10. So it is now in 10. So it is just na normal guys nga may na ang lever mismatch. So after that, we're going to go to dead slow astern. So press dead slow astern, then change the control lever into -10. So it's gonna go to -10. So it is working. So after that, I'm gonna stop, and then level control lever to 0. So it is now okay. So after that, we're going to transfer the responsibility to bridge. Then go click the bridge. After that, go file directory. Go to MD110 or the main engine bridge control. Then transfer the, let's accept the responsibility in the bridge. So it is accepted now. It is now in the bridge. And after that, let's do the just monitoring. Monitor all the things that we need to monitor. So all here normal rato na guys. Service tank, fresh water, normal siya. Fuel oil, normal ra. normal na siya guys nga mo low ang country. So lubricating turbocharger. Wala mo tanabot dira. So kani normal ra. Okay, normal ra man ang kan. Nag-test ato ra man gitest ang kanina. So engine stop kay wala to gipandar kay nag-test ra man ta sa ato ang kan main propulsion engine. Ato rang gitestingan. Then if mo work ba siya properly, if di kay basi niya niguba ba, so mo na mo check kita or what we call maintenance or like just maintain or check assist. That's why it goes assist pre-start. That's why it called pre-start check. So tan-aw na to if mo start ba siya normally, kay if dili gani kay something's wrong in the engine. So that's why ato na siyang nag-pre-start sa ta. Pre-start check sa main propulsion engine. So ako lang i-recap tanan. So first things first kay ito jud sa lubrication oil system. Then after lubrication oil system, ato rin ka sa stern tube system. Then go to steering gear system and then go to fuel oil system. After going to fuel oil system, we're going to heat the oil or the fuel oil. So go to steam generation plant, then steam after going to steam generation plant, go to oil fire boiler para mapainit na to tong fuel. So after mapainit na to tong fuel kay ato din i-cool down. So cooler. So atong i-on na to ang fresh water para mo cool og low temperature fresh water. Then after na to i-cool kay ato din i-start atong air. Kay without air kanra fire triangle. Upon starting fire or combustion kay fire triangle, air fuel o heat. So air jud ato i-start atong air or compressor na kay naman to fuel oil fuel. So start na nato ang atong air. After na to ma-start atong air kay na to i-start na atong air kay atong i-off na nato atong local control, i-disengage na to para ato na mo-testingan. Then on the forward mooring winches and aft mooring winches, then that's we're going to panel control directory. Then testing. After testing, go pass the responsibility to the bridge, and after passing to the bridge, on monitoring, let's just wait for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, makita na nato itong score or itong pila itong sa itong pag-simulate. Just monitor guys. Normal na siyang tulo ka alarm na dere always. Kaya ang uban di man accessible ang uban nga atong makuan. So normal na siya. Let's just wait. Okay, it's almost time. Less than 15 seconds mahaba na ang kan simulation. So the name of this kanang simulation is assist pre-start.
Your 20
Check.
minutes has been fully consumed.
So it is done. So at pangalan sa simulation kay assist pre-start check on main propulsion engine. So we're gonna press F3 to exit the simulator. So we're gonna go and see what is our score. So review. So we got 88%. So we passed. That's it. Hope you learned something, guys.